Deep in the forests of Cambodia's Siem Reap province, an ancient stone city soars skyward. This is the sprawling complex of Angkor Archaeological Park. The site is located in the northwestern region of the country and is only 4 miles from the city of Siem Reap. The Khmer Empire's various capitals thrived here from the 9th to 15th centuries, over an empire that stretched from Myanmar to Vietnam. Including forested areas and newly discovered suburbs, Angkor covers more than 400 square miles, an area considerably larger than New York City's 5 boroughs. And the massive Angkor Wat is the most famed of all Cambodia's temples. It even appears on the nation's flag. The temples are architectural masterpieces, laden with artistic treasures, like the bas-relief galleries that tell enduring tales of Cambodian history and legend. Angkor is as much about water as it is about stone. The site boasts an enormous system of artificial canals, dikes, and reservoirs. These massive works skillfully harnessed river and rainwater to quench the thirst of some 750,000 residents in the world's largest pre-industrial city. It's still a mystery to scientists why the city's rulers abandoned the site. The town of Siem Reap is the gateway to Angkor and is filled with lodging, dining, and tour package options for all budgets. The airport in Siem Reap has service to the capital and regular flights to nearby countries. Those preferring to travel by boat can also make the trip from Phnom Penh in 5 or 6 hours, about the same time as by road. Peak tourist season in Angkor is December and January, when rainfall is less likely and the climate is most kind. No matter the time of year, a visit to Angkor is sure to leave you awestruck.